Namaskar, welcome back to Yoga Fitness with Priyanka Sharma. Today we are going to take fourth asana, Padahastasana. So let's get started. Pad is your legs, Hast is your hands. So reaching your palms to your feet. So the technique of this asana, you raise your arms up, you exhale and keep bending forward, gaze in front. Bend a little more and try to place the palms with fingers pointing forward on the ground on either sides of the legs. Place the forehead between the knees. So you can stay here for a few more breaths. Remember that while bending forward, you relax your back muscles. In the beginning, legs can be kept apart. It is easy to bend during exhalation. Then inhale, lift your head up. Extend your arms in front and then raise your arms slowly up to your head and exhale. You can move your hands by your side. So this asana is very beneficial in indigestion. So whoever is suffering from constipation or stiffness of spine, pain in your hip joints and breathing problem, you can practice this posture. The limitation for this asana is those who are suffering from high blood pressure, heart disease and acidity should not practice this posture. Also, this Padahastasana is a little strenuous. It's a little bit of strenuous than the other postures. In this, the abdominal organs are toned and digestive juices are increased while the liver and spleen are activated. One has to master this posture with the guidance of the Guru, and then you can come back slowly in the center. In this posture, the main keywords are you are pushing your hips back. As you can see, I'm bending or hinging forward from my pelvic area. So my entire trunk is parallel to the ground and my spine is straight in a concave position. I'm not hunching my back. And then slowly you can raise your arms in front so you'll have a very good stretch in your spine before you go down to the ground. And then you may slowly rest your palms by your side. Also, you can keep a slight bend your knees, soften your knees so that your belly is completely resting on your thighs. This posture can be done in an alternative method, like if you cannot reach your palm on the floor, you have a blocks. So you can use a blocks or a bunch of books by your side, and then you can stay here for a few more days and feel the stretch in your back of your leg. And then you can slightly fold your knees, resting your belly, rest your neck. One more thing, note down. Do not bring your head in between your knees if you have a displayed disc. So this is Padahastasana. Guys, for watching this video, do subscribe, like and comment below. Did you check my previous video of this series? Then go check it out. Thank you. Stay blessed.